GSG presents White Ink Wednesday.
Welcome to another episode of White Ink Wednesday. I'm Mark Sudonik, Textile Application Specialist at Graphic Solutions Group. Today with the white ink, we're going to show you how to add some sparkle going into the holiday season. The first thing we're going to do is put down our white underbase. This is through a 156 mesh screen. It's going to be a double stroke, so we get a nice bright white. Then we'll go ahead and flash it. And then to give it that sparkle and bling to pop off of the shirt, we're going to use International Coatings Crystalina Shimmer on top. This is going to print through an 86 mesh screen, and we're just going to do 2 strokes on it. Now we'll take it, run it through the dryer. That's when the magic's going to happen. And there you have it, nice white print with a little bit of sparkle on top. Great idea going into the holiday season for winter. And we'll see you next Wednesday. For more information, go to gogsg.com.